So hi guys, welcome to Chart Traders channel. So this is the plan trade setup for Jan 5th. We are planning this intraday stocks for tomorrow: Reliance, Axis Bank, Hero Motors, Divis and Apollo Hospital. Note down guys, this channel is only for an educational purpose. So if you are trading, please contact your finance advisor. So let's look at the Nifty chart. So Nifty chart, currently we have a resistance at 14,150. So if it break this resistance, move above 160, we can see Nifty moving towards 14,200, 14,250. And if it falls below this support, okay, if it falls below the 14,100, we can see it can reach to 14,050, 14,000. So that's a level which I'm looking for tomorrow in Nifty. Let's look at the Bank Nifty. So before looking at the Bank Nifty chart, so let me share our training program. So we are going to conduct a training program on February 1st week. So if you are interested to learn technical, please contact to my Telegram ID. That's Hemant at 369 and also my contact number. So this is about our training program, and the topics which we are going to cover is about technical analysis and the chart patterns, psychology, and all this program will be completed in 4 sessions only on weekends. This will be for 1 month, and 1 month support we are going to provide. The trade what you are going to take, you can review with us on the 1 month support. Okay, so overall it is 2 months training program. So that's about our training program. Let's look at the Bank Nifty chart. So looking at the Bank Nifty chart, currently we have a resistance at 31,330, 360. That's in resistance, and the support is 31,100. Okay, so if it break this 31,100, we can see Bank Nifty moving towards 31,000, 30,800. So that's a level for the downside. On the upside, we can see if it break the resistance 360, 31,360, we can see Bank Nifty moving towards 31,500 levels. So and also you can see this is a major resistance 31,500. If it breaks, we can see Bank Nifty moving towards 31,800. So let's look at the Reliance for tomorrow. So looking at the Reliance chart, so the current price is 1,990. So you can look for a buy when it reaches 2015 and a sell below 1,975. Okay, so let's move on to the Axis Bank. So Axis Bank current price is 625. So if it move above 628, you can look for a buy, and if it falls below 680, you can look for a sell. So let's look at the Hero Motors. Hero Motor current price is 3,052. So if it moves above 365, you can look for a buy and sell below 338. Okay, so let's look at Divis Lab. So the current price is 3,863. You can look for a buy when it reaches 3,875 and sell below 3,845. So Apollo Hospital, the current price is 2,400, and you can. So looking at the Apollo chart, so current market price is 2,409. So if you're looking for a buy, it should be 2,425 for a buy price. Okay, and the sell if it falls below 2,395. So this is about our trade setup for tomorrow guys. Thank you for watching our video. If you like, please share the video with your friends and also comment. See you on the next video. Cheers, bye.